Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl again, Niella Obijiaku, and we're back with another video, guys. So today's video is totally different. I'm sure you guys are wondering why I have my phone in my hands. So I'm just going to be doing a quick unboxing for you guys. I don't know how long this video is going to be, but I hope it's not going to get to 6 minutes or give or take 8 minutes so that I can place multiple ads on it. You guys know this YouTube struggle. You know. If you're seeing my face for the first time, my name is Niella and I create videos around beauty, hair, lifestyle, also documenting my life as a new immigrant in Canada. And if you're yet to subscribe, don't forget to turn on the bell while you're subscribing so that YouTube will notify you whenever a new video pops up on my channel. So guys, let us get into this whole unboxing video. I started a business and I have a store on Etsy. So if you guys love my cute knitted headbands, you should check out my Etsy store. I'm going to be leaving the link in the description box below. I also sell fashion accessories, African print fabrics, and knitted turban headbands on my Etsy store. So guys, if you like to support my hustle, click on the link. And national deliveries as well. If you're in the US, fine and good. If you're in Canada, if you're in the UK, you can shop for fashion accessories on my Etsy store. But anyways, that is not the point of this video. Like I said, I was going to dedicate a different video for that. So I'm just going to be unboxing some couple of things I got for my business, which I already unboxed because I had already done shipping, but I just want to show you guys here on camera. And the first thing here is this kitchen scale. I've been wanting to get a digital scale, but a lot of people advise me to get a kitchen scale since whatever it is I am sending isn't above 5 kg. So this actually works for me and it was kind of accurate, I'm not going to lie. And I got this off on Amazon and it's pretty basic. Trust me, you don't need a lot. You don't need to be, you know, so digi friendly or digi scale to be able to use this. It comes with a spare battery, so you open it this way. It comes with 2 spare batteries, and I like the fact that they use this kind of battery so that if I need to replace them, I know what to do, because I've been trying to buy batteries for my mic, but I haven't been able to do that because I don't know the exact size of the batteries for my mic. It means I have to go out with my mic or just take off the battery and go to the store to look for it. But this one is, it's very, very easy. So the measurement was accurate and I was able to use this to, you know, track my measurements to be able to get a definite shipping rate to ship my item to my customer. So the other thing I ordered for are this poly mailer bags, and I actually was looking for something that was not big and also not small. When I even got the package, I was really amazed at the size. I can't remember what size this is, but if I remember, I'm going to leave it on the screen for you guys. And this is not too big, it is not too small as well. I was scared I was going to be small, even if I knew the measurements and I already knew what I wanted. So I think this is 100 pieces or 50 pieces. I honestly cannot remember. I did not count because I didn't really see the need to count this poly mailer bags. I usually, when I was selling face mask, or when I had to ship face masks, I had the poly mailer ones with the bubble wraps, but I realized that it may not be a good fit for sending out fabrics and also knitted headbands because it may just make it look a lot, you know, more bulky. So I just decided to get this really plain ones, and so far so good. It sticks really well to the bag. You just take off the seal here and just, you know, stick it onto the bag. And I think I like this because if I need to send anything small or big, I don't think I need to get a separate bag for it. So if I need to send anything small, I may just have to, you know, fold it up, or probably I'll just get like a 4x6 poly mailer, you know, envelope or poly mailer bag like this. And the last but not least, I've been wanting to show you guys is this winter boot I got this from Max. I'm going to be leaving the link to the Amazon items because I also ordered the poly mailer from Amazon. I'm going to be leaving the links in case you're interested and you want to purchase. Just click on the link in my description. box. So I got this from Max, and trust me, this box has been here for 2-3 weeks now. I don't know, because I wanted to unbox for you guys on camera. So I went into the store and they didn't have my size at the store for the boots I wanted. So they said they were going to, if I don't mind, they could help me order it, and they're going to have to ship it to me for free. But if I have to order it myself online, I have to pay for shipping. And I was like, okay. The most painful part of this order was the tax I had to pay, guys. It was so painful. When I saw, I think I was even telling myself that, what if this doesn't fit? And I have had this shoe for more than 2 weeks and I haven't even tried this. So it comes in a box like this. So it comes in a box like this. So guys, this is what it pretty much looks like. It's the, let me just try to get the name of the shoe. The women's Lara Lisa boots. So it was on sale for $65.99 and I paid $8.58 in tax, and everything amounted to $74.57. Yes, that was actually what I paid. Sorry guys. So it's a Lisa boot. So I'm going to try to wear this for you guys so that you can see what it looks like. I don't know when I'm going to be putting up this video, but I'm going to try to see if it fits. One, just in case it doesn't fit, it means I'm going to be visiting Mac's store, but it's the size 11. It's in the size 11 and I wear an 11 or 12, you know, really big feet. So I'm going to be trying this and I'm going to be showing you guys what it looks like and what I think about it. I actually like the fact that it's, you know, fur inside, so it can keep you warm during the cold weather, and it has a little bit of suede, yeah, on this side, and the leather. Another thing why I chose this boot was because of the grip, you know, the sole, and how it has so much, let me use the word teeth, so it's going to get like a firm grip on the ground, because my other outdoor boots doesn't really have this kind of sole. So if there's it could be slippery on ice, but this one, I'm sure you can tell that it has like, it's going to have like a firm grip, you know, on the ground, even in snow. This is the original price. Can you guys see the original price of it? So it is $109.99, so that's $110.
They call me him, no waiting I do it, make I'm not over me.
So guys, I like the boots, I'm not going to lie, but it's just that it feels like it's squeezing. But I don't know if it has to do with this kind of boots, because on the side it's not leather, it's the suede kind of, you know, fabric, and I don't think I'm going to return it. No, at least I have something I'm going to be wearing during winter if I need to go out, because lately I've been doing a lot of going out. And yeah, so like I said, it was on sale and I just had to cut myself, you know, one pair, because I've always wanted lace, you know, lace up boots. But because I have fat calves, sometimes most of the lace up boots or lace up sandals I get to buy, they don't, you know, lap well on my calves, because my calves are fat. So when it gets there, it doesn't even zip up at all. But I'm actually surprised that this was able to zip up, even if it's sort of puffing out my arm leg just a little bit. But still on still, it was a good buy. And guys, I think I'm going to be ending this video here. I don't think I have any other thing to do. I'll see you guys in my next video. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and don't forget to shop fashion items on my Etsy store. I'm still adding more items, and hopefully I'm going to launch. I was supposed to launch before my birthday, but I think I'm going to move the lunch to some other time, but I'm going to let you guys know. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye guys.